Apple's iOS offers a spoken content feature that enables the device to read text aloud. This includes Speak Selection, which reads highlighted text, and Speak Screen, which vocalizes all content on the display. In this quick video, we'll show you how to enable the spoken content feature on your iPhone running iOS 18 or later version. This handy accessibility option allows your iPhone to read text aloud, making it easier to consume content. Let's dive in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. In the Accessibility menu, find the Vision section and tap on Spoken Content. Here you'll see two main options, Speak Selection and Speak Screen. To enable Speak Selection, simply toggle the switch next to it on. When enabled, whenever you select text in any app, a Speak button will appear in the menu. Tap it and your iPhone will read the selected text aloud. You can also adjust the speaking rate using the slider below. Drag it left for slower speech and right for faster speech. To enable Speak Screen, toggle the switch next to it on. Once enabled, you can have your iPhone read everything on the screen by swiping down with 2 fingers from the very top of the display. Let's quickly test Speak Selection. Open any app with text, like Notes or Safari. Select a sentence or paragraph. You should see the Speak option appear. Tap it to hear your iPhone read it out loud. Now, let's test the Speak Screen. From any screen, swipe down with 2 fingers from the top. Your iPhone should start reading all the content visible on the display. And that's all there is to it. Enabling spoken content on your iPhone in iOS 18 is a simple process. This feature is incredibly useful for accessibility, allowing you to listen to articles, messages, and more. It's a great way to multitask, or simply give your eyes a rest. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.